Hey, what's going on, guys? It's been like a million years since I've last uploaded on this channel. Yeah. So anyways, I'm gonna be doing some solves on my current new main 3x3, the Chi Thunderclap V3M. I got it from speedcube.com.au. And god, this camera quality is terrible, but it'll have to do. I've also lubed it up with some moyu V2 lube. I've also got 7x7. Actually, I've got a crap ton of cubes over here. Well, not like a crap ton, but most of them are down there. But I've got my Mega Minx X-Men Galaxy V1, I think. And we've got my 2x2 main, Gorgon 2x2. I can't remember the name of it. My OH main, the Gans Air. I just like how it's just easy to flick. And I don't have to loosen it up. My new 4x4 main, which I just got like yesterday. No, 2 days ago, yeah. It's the Yuxin Little Magic magnetic. By the way, I got all of these from speedcube.com.au. Hit me up. How what? So I'm gonna be doing a little review on I don't know. I'm just gonna show off the rest of my mains. Pyraminx, X-Man Bell, because Bell's better. Sorry, moyu magnetic mains. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that was a mistake. Okay, there we go. My 6x6, the Chi Farm? I don't know, the budget one. I don't know how I got it in stickered. Like, there was only stickerless on there, but somehow I got a stickered one, which is really cool. I prefer stickers. But they didn't have any stickered versions for the Yuxin Little Magic, so I just got stickerless. It was fine. It's probably better this way, because, yeah. And the the Mofeng Jiaoshi meilong 7x7. That's it. As you can see by the logo. I was about to say the MF7, but no, that's a different cube entirely. And then next up we have the Chi Square 1. I just recently learnt how to do Square 1. Yes, I know I have one of the best on the market. It's because I got this like nearly 3 years ago. And I never learned how to solve it because I accidentally lost one of the pieces, and now I found the piece. So, I did it. And for Ski, we've got the moyu magnetic. I'm thinking about getting the wingy soon. So yeah. For 5x5, I just have the Mofeng Jiaoshi MF5 because it's the only 5x5 I have at the moment. I'm probably gonna have to upgrade it soon. Probably gonna get like the YJ or the Yuxin. The magnetic ones, they have the budget ones, yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna be using this. Okay, this charger is not helping. I'm gonna be using this timer. It's KO timer on the. It's reversed, but you know what it means. Hopefully. Anyway, we're gonna do a 4x4, a couple 4x4 solves. It's gonna be a pretty long video, I guess. A couple 3x3s because I'm averaging sub 30. which is pretty good. I'm going to be entering my first competition as well, so I'm going to be practicing a lot. My first competition at the Hobart Hoedown 2019. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. Might throw in a one-handed solve or two. But yeah, I've been going flat out on 4x4. I've got 55 solves in the past 2 days. That's just casual or not. I'll check, like, in the past 2 days, but I've only had, it's technically 54 in the past 1 day, so. Okay, so scramble, it's U prime, L2, U2, R prime, R wide 2, U wide prime, I'm just going to say UW instead. R2, F2, FW2, RW prime, D prime, R, L prime, U, L prime, no, L, R, RW, B, L, D2, RW prime, U, UW, L, F, U2, B prime, U prime, F, R2, R wide prime, L2, UW2, F prime, D2, R, FW2, R prime, B, L prime, D2. I'm going to start the timer. Inspection. The cutoff for 4x4 in the competition is 1 minute 30, so I'm going to be trying to aim for that. I'm probably going to fucking choke this because I am fucking... to 3x3. It's currently like 110 on the timer. At least this is helping me get prepared for the competition, because I'm recording and it's just putting the pressure on me to do well. Got OLL parody. One minute 51 seconds, .974. Pretty decent. Of course, it's nowhere near the cutoff, but it's something. Because I'm too lazy, I'm just gonna switch to 3x3. We're gonna do a couple solves on this. Oh, I forgot to say the goddamn R prime U prime D2 R prime L F prime U R2 D B2 R prime U2 B2 U2 R B2 R prime U2 L F2. competition is going to be held the 14th and 15th of December. 26.288, not 228. Just to show proof. Bam. And the scramble for this one is B, R2, D2, L2, D2, F, U2, L2, F2, R2, B, U prime, F2, D, U2, L, R2, D, F, D, B. What? It just auto DNF'd me. Well, now it's a different scramble. I was literally just about to go, and then it said +2 DNF straight away. Like, it didn't give me any chance. Well, I'm gonna still solve it because I have to. There we go. I'm not sure how long that was. So yeah, so if I can be a sellout and get free points on speedcube.com.au, I'm going to review my most recent shipments, which is the Yuxin 4x4 and the not MF7, the meilong 7, as well as the okay, that doesn't work out. Meilong, not meilong, moyu lube V2. I just got it because I needed lube. So we'll start off with 4x4. So this is really cute. Straight out of the box. I knew it was better than. Wait, no, that's not my moyu. Where's my moyu Alsu? There's my moyu Alsu, and I have to, because my moyu Alsu was very loud and scratchy and dry. Alright, now I've put some lube in. It's decent. It's better, but not good enough to compete with this. The only problem is that it really eats up lube. Well, I mean, like, it doesn't really get affected that much by lube, I guess. It doesn't really get affected by lube that much at all, because I put like drop there, then I put a drop there, then did a little bit, needed some more, then I put a drop there, and then a drop there. Still didn't really do much, and then I put 2 more drops on the outer layer each, or like 4 drops technically. Didn't really do much. I mean, it's done a little bit, but it just doesn't really feel that much different from right out of the box. And the magnets, they're pretty weak on the outside. Like, the outer layers could be a lot better. Like, the inner layers, for sure, are a lot better than the outer layers, in my opinion. I mean, the outer layers are fine. I can still, like, do decent. Like, I can still do decent, like, times. But it's just, the outer layers are just meh, I guess. I mean, they're good, but, like, yeah. But it's still, it's a really great cube altogether. I think it was $18.50 on the speedcube.com.au. I might be wrong. Do not quote me on that. It's pretty decent cube for it's a pretty good cube for its price. I would recommend it definitely. Like if you're just if you don't really have a good 4x4, then I would recommend it. In the meilong 7, I keep on forgetting the meilong. So there were two things. One, it's fucking tiny. So if I take my 6x6, it's actually smaller than the 6x6. Here's a 3x3 for size comparison. It's only about one. Like this 3x3 goes up to the corners, or like the last layer. Pardon me, I'm a little bit sick. Like, but I mean, I get it. Like, it's a good size, like, for turning. I'm fine with it. Like next to a 5x5. 5x5 still smaller. But once it gets to 6x6, this is tinier. And also, it weighs a lot less than the 6x6 that I have. The Yuxin, I think? I don't know. But yeah, the only other problem with it is this. This repeatedly happens during solves. It keeps on popping. Like, I get it's a big cube and it doesn't really corner cut much. I mean, it does a piece at most. Sometimes it does pop when it does a piece of corner cutting. I'm trying to show it off there. See? Like, it's not bad at all. Like, it could be a lot worse. Like, it's just got a really dry sounding turn. Like, the middle layers are fine. It's just once you get to the very middle layer. Like, these layers are fine. Like, they're really good. And speak of the devil, I wasn't even trying to do that. But a red centerpiece got caught. So I'm just going to stop turning it for now. That's my only issue with it. Otherwise, it'll be I would actually practice 7x7. But I average like 26 minutes on it, so I've only done 2 solos, but shh. So yeah, that was my review on them. Now with the Moyu V2 lube. It's a great lube. Honestly, great. Better than the Mario lube. It's the only other lube I've ever tried. And I put it in this meilong here. This meilong V2. And now it turns like an absolute beauty, and it doesn't feel as scratchy, and doesn't feel as scratchy now. And it's actually my backup. It's actually my backup 3x3 now. So that's pretty neat. The only problem is that sometimes cubes eat it up a little too much. Like, they eat it up pretty easily. As I mentioned with this. And also, it's kind of lost its effect on this after about, like, 30-40 souls. It's not too bad, but yeah. I mean, it's still there after, like, 40 or 50, but, like, it isn't the same effect as it was when it started. Overall, I think it's a pretty good lube. Like, a really good lube. I would recommend it if you don't want to buy all that fancy shit. It really speeds up your cube, and doesn't really lose much of its stability, which is pretty great. Like, when you speed it up, you expect it to lose a little bit of stability, but it doesn't really. Like, I mean, you lose a little bit, but it's minor. Compared to the speed that you get, it's a really good trade-off. And it's just a great way to improve your cube overall. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. See you guys in 3 years and 18 months.